Now let's look in a little bit more detail at the Game Explorer pane. So if we just resize the Game Explorer, you can see we've already loaded up one of the databases that comes free with HIARCS Chess Explorer, the Top Games database. It's a fairly large database of 35,000 games. It will take a few seconds to load up, but it's very quick to use once you've loaded up the database for the first time. But it's very interesting to see a little bit of the information that you can find. First of all, obviously the games are numbered, so we can scroll right down. You can see right down to 35,000 plus. Go back to the top, you can see the names here. The player of the white pieces are listed here, player of the black pieces with their ratings. Also the event, IT just means international tournament, but you can see as we scroll down there's all sorts of different tournaments. Also the site where that tournament was, round number if applicable, date, the result of the game, the ECO code, that's Encyclopedia of Chess Openings code, and also the length of the game. Now why all these are important is because you can actually sort the databases according to any of these criteria. So say we want to sort the database by the player of the white pieces, just simply click anywhere on the part where it says white here, and you can see instantly the database gets sorted. So right at the top we've got things like Michael Adams, scroll down, but you can see it's all alphabetical order, all the different games sorted by the player of the white pieces. But we can do this for many different things as well. So we can sort by event, and one of the interesting things we can do is actually sort by length. So if you want to look at particularly long games, here you can see some really long games. Ivanchuk versus Leko, famous game, a blitz game that lasted 215 moves. And obviously once you select that game, it appears here in the notation pane. So a lot of different things you can do to actually change the way you select games in the Games Explorer. One of the other features that you might be interested in is the quick search. So if you were searching by a particular player, all you need to do is quickly type in their name here, and you're going to get every player called Adams. But obviously in this particular database, it'll just be Michael. But we're going to click on Find, and you can see there we go. So that's every game that Michael Adams is playing in has appeared. And if you want to select any of those, all you need to do is click on one, as we did before, and that game will appear here in the notation, and you can play through it on the board, or even just play through it in the notation like this. So that's just how simple it is to use the Game Explorer. You can sort games and by a variety of different criteria.